Where are we going, Safi?
Go hunt.
You sure?
Let my feet down. 'So we're taking a quick break here. Dusty road. Love it. Tôi nó mò to ra được thu nào. Nó từ lúc thu nhà mà, khi thu ra thu nhà nào. Họ nhà có đã lớp mò to ra. Five and a half. So it took us 2.5 hours. No, 3.5 hours. Yeah.
Wow. Good job. 3.5 hours to get here. Alright, let's go see. Let's go check inside the house. So this is the house. And this is the kitchen. Let's go see the kitchen. Let's see what they have here. Very nice, very nice. Alright, the uncle's gonna cook for us before we head out into the night. We'll see what he cooks. Oil going in. Hay như này có năng làm Tomato. Pork and veggies. Pork and veggies and pepper paste. That's what we eat tonight. Food is all done cooking. Got pork here. Oh, where's the pepper paste? Oh, there's the pepper paste. Got some rice. Satay's gonna eat. We're gonna be strong. We're gonna go look for some animals. Alright. Dinner was yummy. It's time to go out. Awi. Awi mana? Awi na. So we got one muzzleloader here, another muzzleloader here, and he's also packing up a shotgun over there. It's about to go down. See, Lelana, let's go.
You know what's in here? Are you recording?
Uh huh.
You know what's in here?
What's that?
It's my RPG.
It's your RPG, huh? Alright. We just made it up here, but he already got two birds. So he's cooking it up right now. Check out how much that is. That's a lot of meat. That's 2 birds. That's a lot of meat on there. For Ollie.
No.
Let's eat it. Yeah. That's wild. What do you call it? Banana. Wild banana truck. Look at that. And the birds and wild chicken too. So yummy.